This is a behind the scenes on how we designed the Cvent CONNECT registration website. One of my favorite new features is the custom styled headings. By styling and adding a bit of CSS, you can make your headings easier to read and make them stand out from your paragraph text. Let me show you how we did it. In here, we're going to change the font size, and then I'm going to make it a little bolder. Next, you want to change the text color. You don't want this to be pure black, as the contrast can be jarring to the eyes. Next, we're going to apply some CSS. You'll go into your themes panel, go down to CSS classes, and in here, we're going to write a new class. I'll open the bracket, type in the property, letter, spacing, colon, and then type in the value. For this, I'm going to do 1.5 pixels. Then I'm going to apply the CSS. I'll go back to my heading, customize, then text, and then go all the way down to get to that CSS dropdown. In here, you're going to find that heading spacing. When you select it, you'll see that it'll add some letter spacing in between all of your letters. Finally, I'm going to add a little bit of color to my text. I'll go into my text, I'll highlight any action words, I'll go into the colors, and I'll apply my brand colors. And that's it. You can check it out live now, and make sure to stay tuned for more behind the scenes content on how we designed the Cvent CONNECT registration website.